Oh my Lord. There's no way, that's gotta be it right there. So I just got told that somebody actually junked their Tesla, a real Tesla. I don't know what condition it's in, but I do want to find it. It's like a junkyard hidden gem. You never see a Tesla in here. You barely even see electric cars in here. Hey, what's up guys? It's Carlos back in Central Florida Pick and Pay. And today I'm back because apparently we have a miracle car, a Tesla. I don't know where it's at. We're gonna go find it. Let's go. I think the car might be in the processing department in the back, so let's go check. Oh my Lord. There's no way, that's gotta be it right there. That's the only Tesla I see. That thing is beautiful, man. It's gotta be a 2015, maybe older. Man, look at this thing. Wow. It's got a nice interior too. Big tablet. It's all in one shape. It's not what I expected at all. When you hear a traded in Tesla to a junkyard, it's not what I expected. Why'd they trade this car in? What was wrong with this car? Oh, okay. Yeah, so apparently the only thing wrong with this car is the AC. And I don't know why you would junk a Tesla just for AC problems. Me personally, in this condition, I would have fixed it. But it had to have been a price issue or something, because just looking at this thing, wow. I mean, it's a 2015. It's got all 4 rims and tires still. None of the seats are gashed. The dash isn't cracked. The battery's still good. I bet you this thing probably runs. I do want to pull up this VIN number to see what actually happened. Me personally, I don't believe that somebody would junk a Tesla for just AC problems. There has to be something more to this story. And for such a beautiful car like this, that's just my opinion. All right, so I just got the report back and I'm looking at it. 115,000 miles. It has no accidents. It's got 4 previous owners, 0 recalls, and it has a clean title. Now, why would somebody want to trade in a car like this to a junkyard? I have no idea. Probably because the issues may have been too pricey. I'm not sure, I don't know much about these Teslas, but I do know one thing. The older that they get, the more expensive they get. And this car is a 2015, it is about 10, almost 11 years old now. So it's getting to that point in its life where everything's gonna start getting more expensive. And I don't know what that price point is. I don't know how the AC system even works in this car. So maybe they had a reason to put it in here. We'll never know. What would you guys do in this situation? Would you guys have fixed this Tesla if it was yours? Would you guys have scrapped it, junked it? What would you have done? Even traded it in? There's many other ways that this Tesla could have went and now it's here, but what would you have done?
Several days later.
Now, I'm still in shock that somebody would trade in their Tesla to a junkyard over some AC problems. But it's already here, so you guys let me know what you guys think I should do with it. You guys think I should try to buy this Tesla? Let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and share to your friends for more.